And good morning to Madam Joanna. Today I want to present the subject Engineering Mathematics 1. So the topic is vector and scalar. So table of content of this topic is introduction, definition, function, scalar and vector in military, real life application, math solution with drawing, and lastly conclusion. So first of all, I will talk about first point, that is introduction. So scalar and vector are two kind of quantities that are used in physics and mathematics. Scalar and quantities that only have magnitude or size, while vector have both magnitude and direction. Explore some example of scalar and vector, including distance, displacement, speed, and velocity.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Hari Naufal bin Abdul Wahab. My metric number is 10DKA22F1113. So today I will talk about definition and function of scalar and vector. So definition of scalar is a physical quantity that has only magnitude, size. For example, mass, length, time, temperature, volume, and density. So definition for vector is a physical quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction. For example, position, displacement, velocity, acceleration, momentum, and force. Function for scalar. Functions whose values are scalars depending on the points P in space. F is equal F in column P. So then function for vectors. Function whose values are vectors depending on the points P in space. V is equal V in column P equal to V1 in column Pi plus V2 in column Pj plus V3 in column Pk.
My name is Zorizman Bizain Fandi and my metric number is 01DKA22F1147. Today I'm going to present about scalar and vector in military. A cannon is any piece of artillery that uses gun power or other usually explosive base propellants to launch a projectile. Cannon vary in caliber, range, mobility, rate of fire, angle of fire, and firepower. Different forms of cannon combine and balance this attribute in varying degrees depending on their intended use on the battlefield. For this, vector is must to use. Let's go to the next slide. The next slide is about real life application. Force, torque, and velocity. Second is military usage. The third is projectile. The fourth is in gaming. The fifth is designing roller coaster. And the last is in engineering.
Hello guys, my name is Sharif Naramin bin Sharifuddin and my matrix number is 01DKA22F1125. So today I would like to present to you guys the math solution with drawing. So what we got over here is a triangle. At here we got a point A, point B, and point C. The given of the point A is 1, 5, 9, for point B 7 to 6, and for point C is 4, 8, 3. So at here actually is the operation for the military to ambush some enemy traps or enemy camp. So what we got over here is from point A we got a tank, our tank. So it's gonna to ambush enemy camp at point C. So definitely we're not going to the straight line, right? so we must cross the point B first. So at there we must to find its length, how much kilometers it will goes, right? Same goes to the point B to go to the point C, how much kilometer that we want to go. But the problem is now how much angle or how much direction that the tank needs to rotate to go to the point C. So at down there I have calculated already the length for point A to the point B. So I got AB equals to negative OA plus OB. So um it equals to negative in bracket 159 plus in bracket 726, and equals negative 1 plus negative 1, negative 5, and negative 9 in bracket plus 7 to 6, and we just plus it, and we got 6 minus 3 and minus 3 from the length of point A goes to the point B. Next we want to find from point C, from point B to go to the point C, and we got a minus OB plus OC, and equals to minus in bracket 7 to 6 plus in bracket 483. So it equals to negative 7, negative 2, and negative 6 in bracket plus 483, and what we got over here is minus 3, 6, and minus 3 in brackets. That is the length from point B to goes to the point C. Now how much angle or how much direction that the tank needs to rotate to go to the point C, and that's what the mission is. So I have calculate down there is a little bit look like metric, but it doesn't. It's actually is a determinant, or we want to find a magnitude of vector. So at there I got AB AB times BC. So I got a little of what we call a formula. Yeah, I know it just looks like and then what we got over here is in bracket minus 3 times minus 3 minus negative 3 times 6 is for I, and the next one is negative in bracket C 6 times negative 3 minus negative 3 times minus 3, 6, and minus 3 in brackets. That is the length from point B to goes to the point C. Now, how much angle or how much direction that the tank needs to rotate to go to the point C, and that's what the mission is. So I have calculate down there is a little bit look like metric, but it doesn't. It's actually is a determinant, or we want to find a magnitude of vector. So at there I got AB AB times BC. So I got a little of what we call a formula. Yeah, I know it just looks like and then what we got over here is in bracket minus 3 times minus 3 minus negative 3 times 6 is for I, and the next one is negative in bracket C 6 times negative 3 minus negative 3 times negative 3 in bracket for J, and what we go for K is plus in bracket 6 times 6 minus negative 3 times negative 3 for K. So what I got the calculation over here is equals to 27I minus 37J and plus 27 for K. So now we find the area of triangles, and its formula is 1 over 2 and we times it with what we got from AB times BC. So is equals to 1 per 2 square root 27 square plus minus 27 square plus 27 square, and I got and equals to 1 per 2 square root 2187, and then I got 1 over 2 in bracket 46.7654 in bracket. So just times with it, and I got 23.383 unit square, and that is the answer. That is the area of triangles. That is what we're looking for. So overall, the conclusion is, in summary, scalar quantity delivers you an idea about how much of an object there is. Still, vector quantity present you with an indication of how much of an item there is and in which direction it is. Hence, the main difference between scalar and vector quantity is associated with the direction. In other words, scalars do not have direction, but vector do. Thank you.